As a driver, I always strongly recommend that you thoroughly walk around your entire car before every single move. This is important both for detecting any damage to your vehicle at that moment and for checking your tires. Visual inspection is especially important. While driving, your tire may not go flat immediately. When you return to your car a few hours later, the tire may have completely deflated and collapsed onto the ground. It's much more important for you to notice this before you start driving, rather than realizing it on the road. Why? If you notice it there and have the means, you can call a tire repair service and have it changed, then continue your journey safely. But if you notice it after entering traffic, you'll feel it as well. Most likely, you'll hear a noise and the steering wheel will become heavier. At this point, it's much more sensible to detect and address the issue while parked, rather than getting stranded on the road. The part you see on top of the tire here is the valve stem. This is precisely where you can inflate the tire. It opens up like this and you connect the hose from the air pressure gauge right here. And after fully inflating, you then close it securely like this. It also clearly states 44 psi here. We typically indicate tire air pressure in psi or pounds per square inch. It says maximum pressure next to it. When you go to the air pumps at gas stations, you have two options. You can inflate using psi or using bar. There are also bar equivalents for these values, 44 psi, but for most cars, a tire pressure around 30 or 35 is sufficient. You can increase it if you have a heavy load or a lot of passengers, but this shows the maximum air pressure you can use. This is an additional piece of information. You can find out what size your tire is. So when you go to a tire shop and say you want to buy tires for your car, the first thing they'll ask you is, what are the tire size? That's what they'll say. So you need to be able to tell them this: 205, 55, 16. The R16 refers to the rim size, the maximum load capacity. If we assume that one tire has a load capacity of 615 kilograms and there are 4 tires, it means the car can carry up to 2,460 kilograms.